Before you commit to buying Raw Botanics, there are a few key things you need to know. Whether you've already heard about the brand or you're just now discovering it, there's a lot to consider to ensure it's the right fit for you. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to break down everything you need to understand before purchasing, and you'll even learn how to grab the best possible deal for Raw Botanics, something you won't find anywhere else. First off, Raw Botanics is all about creating wellness products that are simple, effective, and natural. It focuses on providing supplements that are designed to support mental clarity, stress reduction, and overall health. But with so many wellness brands on the market, you might be wondering, what makes Raw Botanics different? Well, I've used the products myself, and I'm here to share what I found. Next thing to consider is the company's focus on clean ingredients. Raw Botanics prides itself on using 100% plant-based ingredients that are organic and sustainably sourced. That means no artificial additives, fillers, or preservatives. If you've ever tried competitors like CBD brands or other wellness supplements, you'll notice that they often come with added chemicals to preserve shelf life. Raw Botanics avoids that, which means you get a purer, more natural product. The third thing to know is the product variety. Whether you're looking for mood boosters, sleep aids, or products for overall well-being, they've got you covered. However, unlike some larger brands that offer a massive range of products but may overwhelm you, Raw Botanics keeps it simple with targeted options. This makes it easier to find exactly what you need without getting lost in a sea of choices. Moving on, let's talk about price. Raw Botanics positions itself as a premium wellness brand. But don't let that scare you off. Their pricing is reasonable, especially when you factor in the quality of ingredients. Many competitors charge a premium without offering the same level of transparency or commitment to organic sourcing. So, while you might pay a little more upfront, you're paying for high-quality products that are free of fillers. The fifth thing worth mentioning is how Raw Botanics stacks up in terms of effectiveness. One of the reasons I recommend this brand is because I've personally experienced noticeable results. Whether it was increased focus or improved sleep, the effects were clear and consistent. When comparing to others on the market, the transparency about ingredients and formulations stands out, and it gives you confidence that the product will work for you. Now, let's talk about customer experience. This is where Raw Botanics really excels. The company offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can try the products without the worry of being stuck with something you don't like. Compared to other brands that might have more restrictive return policies, this level of customer-first thinking is refreshing. Finally, if you're ready to try Raw Botanics for yourself, you're in luck. You can get the best possible offer through the link in the description below. You'll also get an exclusive free trial, allowing you to experience their products without any financial commitment up front. It's a limited time offer, so if you've been on the fence, this is the perfect opportunity to see if Raw Botanics is the right fit for you. So, if you want to take advantage of the best deal and try out Raw Botanics, make sure to click the first link below. You'll get access to a special free trial along with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.